What's up, everyone? All right, so here we are. It's Friday morning. It's the last day of the week. It's the last day of the month, and it's my last day of trading on vacation because I'll be home next week. Not a great day. Did a red day recap, down $1,200. And then I saw BTX ripping up. I jumped back in it and went from red to green, up now $1,500. So either way, red 1,200, green 1,500. It's a small finish, a slow finish to the end of the month. It's been a choppy month. I'll be up a little over 40 grand this month. Obviously, my results are not typical, but this for me has not been my best month of the year. In fact, it's been my worst month since November. I'll do a month in review probably next week at some point, but it's been choppy, it's been slow, but I've kept my head above water. Barely, but I have. And so I hope you guys enjoy the recap. As always, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as a reminder, trading is risky. Most beginner traders lose money, and so you should trade in a simulator before you put real money on the line. And I'll see you guys first thing on Monday morning. All right, see you guys then. All right, so this is going to be midday recap take 2. My first midday recap was a red day recap. I was down $1,200. Now I'm going to do a green day recap. So I don't know. I'm not super happy with my trading today, but it is what it is. I went red on my first trade on ISNS. I'm pulling the charts back up so we can go over the trade. ISNS was on a gap scanner, is a relatively low float stock, and yet what's interesting, the float says 2 million shares or 4 million or something like that, and yet it felt extremely choppy and very thickly traded, which I just thought it was unusual and easy to borrow for a lower float stock. So on this one, look at these candles. Look at this. I mean, this is hard to trade, this stuff. It really is. In case you didn't already know, trading is risky. My results are not typical. You should trade in a simulator before you put real money on the line. My first trade on this was a long right here at 6, thinking it was going to do a short squeeze as it broke through the high. Weakness, and then as it curled up, strength. Got stopped out for $700 loss. It drops down. It comes back up, drops down again. Very choppy. I didn't go back for it. I learned my lesson. One trade. BTX. All right, this one got me a little frustrated. My first trade where I lost on it was right here. In at 36.50, stopped out as it broke down right through here. Then, minutes later, I did my red day recap down 1,200. Then minutes later, it comes back up here. Then it flushes down here to the VWAP and then rips back up here. And right here, I was like, should I do it? Oh, it looks good. I had my hand on the buy button and I said, no, don't do it. And then it rips here up to 42. I bought this dip here, sold right here. And then I bought this dip down here and sold up here. False breakout here, obviously a flush here, a bit of a dip here. It's actually starting to set up a 5-minute ABCD pattern. It is right at yesterday's high. It's a double top at yesterday's high. This, if it closed right here, this would look awesome for Monday for a break through 43 and then move back up to 45 and then 50. I don't know what it's going to do the rest of the day. I'm on vacation. I shouldn't even still be sitting here in front of my computer. It's 11:15. I got to get outside and enjoy being on vacation. I made $1,500 today. I guess recouped a red day and turned it into a green day with I don't know, $2,500 or something from being red on BTX to green. So green is good. But this wasn't the best. This hasn't been the best month, and this today is not the best day. This hasn't been the best week, but it is a green week, and that's more than I can say for last week. So I'm gonna take it and live to trade another day. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. I hope you were able to manage your risk today, and I will see you first thing on Monday morning. All right, I'll see you guys on Monday. And hey, stay tuned this weekend. I'm going to have a couple videos that I'll be uploading, which I think you guys will enjoy from my trip here to the tropical island of Rhode Island. All right, see you guys next week.
I hope you really enjoyed that video, and make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 1 million subscribers this year, but we won't get there without your help. So please, please, please hit that subscribe button.